Hi, I'm Anwar from Hosur, Krishnagiri district, Tamil Nadu. I'm skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. Now I'm performing this video to get World Skill Counseling Certificate. Now I'm performing MPT, which is based on MPT. Before testing, the test object must be clean. I'm taking empty cloth to clean the test object. Now I am using solvent cleaner to clean the surface area of the test object. After cleaning the test object, I am applying white contrast paint to contrast background. After you apply white contrast paint, after applying the white contrast paint, we conduct the test. Before conducting the test, I am taking pipe catch to check work machine working or not. Using pipe catch. Taking yoke mission. In yoke mission, there are two modes, one AC and DC. Now I am using AC mode. DC mode is both surface and subsurface. AC mode is only for surface area. Now I am applying white contrast paint. After applying white contrast paint, next I am applying through the black magnetic particle in solvent. Yeah, it's working. Now I am applying magnetic field along the magnetic particle. Doing step by step. Then we should record the inspection. Income. Find some defects. Finally, I am going to post clean.